Hello, I will be doing problem 804 on LeetCode, which is called Unique Morse Codes. So the problem states that Morse code defines standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes. For example, A maps to dot dash, and B maps to dash dot dot dot, and C maps to dash dot dash dot, and so on. So for convenience, there's a table of 26 letters below. So the first entry maps to what A maps to. So A maps to dot dash, B maps to a dash dot dot dot, and so on. And now, given a list of words, we can each word can be written as a concatenation of Morse code letters. For example, CVA can be written as dash dot dash, then dash dot dot dot, then dot dash. I think there's a typo here. We're missing a dash. So we'll call that the concatenation transformation of the word. So we want to return the unique number of transformations among all words that we have. So if the words are Jin, Zen, Gig, Message, then we can see that Jin and Zen have the same Morse code output, and Gig and Message have the same output as well. So there are two unique outputs here, in which case we want to just return 2. Okay, so let's copy this into a LeetCode, and then let's say we want a function. I guess we want to have a function called let's see, unique Morse code words. Okay, unique Morse code representations. Unique Morse code count. So this will take in a list of words, and then what we want to do is we would want to transform each word into its Morse code word or its Morse code representation, and then check if we want to count the unique number of those representations. So in order to count the unique representations, we would use a set. So let's say unique representations, and we'll create a set. And then for each word, we will convert it to the Morse code representation, so Morse code representation. And we want to just add this to our set. And set is, if we've seen a word and if we've seen a representation in the set, then the set will not add that entry twice. And then at the very end, we just want to return our list of unique representations. So now we're missing just this function where we convert a word into a Morse code representation. So with this, we would need to use the array that they give us, which is it maps letters to Morse code. So I'll call it Morse code letter mapping. And let me move this to the top. And let me actually copy paste it. Morse code letter mapping. So before we can map, I see. So we're going to loop over all the letters in the word. And now we want to map the letter to the Morse code. So if we have the letter A, we want to get the first entry. So with the somehow map A to 0. And in order to do that, we can use the OR function. And what that will do is it will give us a ASCII number of that value, and the OR value is going to be in order. So the ASCII value of B will be 1 more than A, and so on and so forth. So if we want to map A to 0, then we want to subtract. So we want to subtract 97 from the OR value, because OR value here is already 97. So if we have A and we subtract the order of A, then we get back to 0. And this would be true for any of these letters. So if I subtract 97 here, we should get 0. And if I subtract 97 for B, we should get 1, which is correct. Let's do that. But I'll make this a constant, where I'll say for A is equal to OR B. And so with the letter, we want to convert that into an OR value, and then we want to normalize it by subtracting OR of A. Now we can get we can get the Morse code here. So this is the Morse code for this letter, but we want to combine all of the Morse code letters together. So we will need a result array, and we will add this to the result array, and then eventually return the results. Okay, so now this is all we need. Let's see if this function works. So no, this only takes one. Oh yeah, this takes in a whole word. So if I run this, I should expect this result, which is dash dash dot 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 dash dot, which is right. Let's see if this function works. So if I pass in all these words, then I should expect 2, and which I do. So that looks good. Let me just enter this into the LeetCode. So if I call words here, and I just return this, submit this. Bam. Looks like it works.